Two vehicles, one belonging to the Meghalaya Infrastructure Development Finance Corporation and another belonging to a cook at Old Railways Guest House, was set ablaze by unidentified miscreants today. According to police reports, the first incident occurred around 2:50 a.m. in Nongmynsong, Dongkadian, where the MIDFC vehicle was parked along the roadside. The second incident took place this afternoon at Old Railways Guest House in Laban. East Khasi Hills SP Vivek CM said law and order situation in East Khasi Hills is fluid, adding that necessary measures are being taken to ensure peace and maintain law and order.
Law and order situation is slightly fluid after the incident which happened in Harrison Bridge, where a group of pressure group had actually gone there, and thereafter we've had two cases of arson. So considering these events, we can see it's a fallout of yesterday's incident and issue, and hence we have alerted all our units. We're strengthening patrolling, intensifying patrolling and all that, and all measures are being taken to ensure that there's peace and security.